Hi beauties, welcome again to Wendy Stars. A wonderful day to you all my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Stars. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. I have this beautiful, sophisticated tapered haircut. So if you're a lover of tapered haircut, please watch this video to the end because we have different styles, different dimensions, ways on how you can style those beautiful short hairstyles. And if you really want your tapered haircut to really come out best or look the way that will really turn eyes or really make you look superb, I would like you guys to please make sure the two sides are shaved, or will I say lower than the hair on top, like this one you're seeing on the screen, because once it's lowered shorter by the sides and the back and a little hair on top, it will give you that look you want. It will give your face that shape and that catchy attention. So I want you guys to just see those beautiful ways on how you can style your tapered haircut. And one thing about the tapered haircut is that it really suits all face shape. If you have the oval face, you have the oblong face, you have the square face, or you have the round face, no matter the shape of the face you have, this haircut will fit your face. Or you are a senior, you have a salt and pepper hair, or you have the gray hair. Do you know that tapered haircut goes best with your gray hair or tapered or your salt and peppered, because all you have to do is cut the two sides shorter and the back shorter, leave a little hair on top, like you can see how Mr. Fernando is showing you guys how you can style, because this is a tutorial class on how you can style your short hairstyle, especially when it comes to tapered haircut, for you to have the best shaped tapered haircut that will really fit your face and make you look beautiful and sophisticated. So in this video, it will really give you the style that will suit your face and the way you will always style your hair to look your best. Even if you can, maybe you can do it yourself, just go to your barber, tell your barber to just make sure they make your sides and the back shorter, then leave a little hair on top. You can just go home and then use your styling product like the MIELLE kit, which costs for about $7 to $20. You can go for the dose. The dose is another perfect product that will enable you to have that defined coils on the top of your hair that will make you look so gorgeous. We also have the Carver's daughter. It will also give you that coils you always want. So if you really want the slick down, like for those that are doing the pixies, the lay down, you can go for the kings and coils, because it will really give your hair that lay down and smooth texture you want. So I would like you guys to just please watch this video to the end. Let me know your minds on how you feel about this haircut. I appreciate every one of you, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and please stay locked to this channel for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way. Bye for now.